Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about HTML line break. So what is line break in HTML? The HTML BR element defines a line break. So if we want to break a line or some paragraphs, there are some lines written in a paragraph and we want to break that line, we want to start that line or that paragraph from a new line, then we can use this BR tag facilitated by HTML language to break that line, and then use BR tag if you want a line break or a new line in brackets without starting a new paragraph. So without starting up new paragraph, means over here that without using the new paragraph tag, you can use the BR tag to break that paragraph and start that paragraph from a new line. So learners, we will try to understand this BR tag with a simple example in the Notepad++. So here is one code that I have written. Here you can see in this code that this is the line first, this is the line second, this is the line third. So already let me write this code in different pattern first. I will write this code in in this kind of a pattern. Okay, so and it is being, this code is being this line is being enclosed by a paragraph tag. Here you can see this opening paragraph tag and closing paragraph tag. Now we will run this code. First we will save, and we will save this code in a particular desktop folder. You can save it anywhere as you like, but I will save it in a particular folder. So test6, any name you can give, but you have to make sure that .html is must to be written with any name that you are providing. Now this code is being saved. We will be executing this code. Here's the file. We will be opening up it the Google Chrome, any web browser you can open up. So this is the code that has been run. This is the line first, this is the line second, this is the line third. Now we want to break this line. We do not want to have a new paragraph, but we want to break this line and have this line in a new lines. How can we do so? Can we do so by doing just this? Just by like this, writing in this format enclosed in a opening paragraph tag and a closing paragraph tag. Can this make us a solution? Let's see. We will save this code, and then again we will go to the Chrome and we'll refresh this page. Nothing happens. The things are still the same. Still all the codes are written in the same line. So here you can see by writing in this format also there are no changes in the Google Chrome. So simply you can see there was no changes in the outcome that was shown in the web browser. Now here if we use the BR tag, the one-sided tag, and then we save this file and we'll execute it in the web browser, here you can see that now it is successfully breaking up and starting up from a new line. This is a second line is starting up from a new line. Now we will use one more BR tag, \, and again we will save this code and we will execute this code. And here now you can see that every line of a paragraph has been now started from a new line. So learners, I think it would have been very much clear to you what this paragraph was all about, how to not starting up a new paragraph as written in the second point. Without starting up of a new paragraph, how can we start a new line? That can be done by using the simple BR tag. So thank you learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you.